Hi everyone. Thank you so much for your support. I want to show you my appreciation by having a giveaway.